Today is a very August day. That is International Migrants Day, which is being celebrated in entire world. It gives an ample opportunity to us to make a pledge to protect and preserve the rights of migrant people, whose contribution to the host country is enormous in context of economic dynamics of that country. However, we are also committed to ban, to curb and contain human smuggling and human trafficking, which is an international crime, and Pakistan, represented by FIA, is committed to eliminate, contain and control these two heinous crimes of international nature that are human smuggling and human trafficking. Thank you very much.